Hello, everyone. Today we are starting our topic 3, which is called functions. Okay, this is topic 3 in our workbook. Topic 3, or maybe it's labeled as unit 3, but this is topic 3, functions. And today we're going to be working on student activity sheet 1, the overview. Okay. So here I am over here on the Agile Minds website. And to get us started, what they have us look at here are 2 drink machines, like a soda pop machine. Okay. We've got refreshments here, cold drinks here. We all know this. Pop machines can be labeled so many different things. So with that, let's take a look at what these ones do. Okay. We've got this pop machine. They were pretty straightforward. If I press the button A, I got orange juice. If I press the button B, I got apple juice. If I pressed C, I got skim milk. If I pressed D, I also got skim milk. But if I pressed E, I got chocolate. And if I pressed F, I got water. But let's look at what, I'm going to speed this up a little too here. Let's look at what the cold drinks does. Okay. If they press A, we get all orange juice. If we press B, let's see what they give us here. Apple juice. I got skim milk, chocolate milk, and water. And F gave us some more water. Okay. So something I wanted us to look at is over here, we got one type of drink for each of these buttons. Some of these buttons both gave us double, but each button we knew what we were getting. If we went over here, if we pressed the button B, we could have gotten an apple juice or we could have gotten skim milk. What a disappointment, guys. You think you're getting apple juice and then out comes a milk? What if you don't even like milk? Okay. So again, I just want us to be aware that this one over here gave us 2 different things. Let's go on. Okay. So let's look at, question 1 and question 2. So it says, why does the refreshments vending machine represent a function? Well, the first thing we need to know, guys, is what a function is. Okay. And here I've got a function is a relationship between 2 sets in which an element from one set is associated with a unique element of another set. Okay. So what the heck does that mean? Okay. It means that each button on drink set number 1 corresponded to exactly one type of drink. Okay. Meaning I knew if I pushed the button A, I was getting orange juice. If I pushed button B, I was getting apple juice. If I pushed button C or button D, I was going to get skim milk. Button E was only going to give me chocolate milk, and button F gives us the good old-fashioned water. Okay? But why does the vending machine of the cold drinks not represent a function? Okay, so let's go back and think about this up here. The refreshments one represented a function because each button gave us exactly one specific outcome. Okay, over here on the cold drink one, yeah, A gave us orange juice, but B gave us both apple juice and skim milk. That is why it is not a function. The cold drinks machine is not a function because you don't know which drink you're going to get when you press a button. Again, with the example of B gave us both apple juice and milk. Okay. So again, this is them highlighting where B on the refreshments only gave us apple juice. B on our cold drinks gave us both apple juice and skim milk. Okay, so let's flip to the back side of this assignment. Okay. They ask us to write down 3 other examples of functional relationships. Okay. Meaning those special relationships where if I do one thing, I will get exactly one result. Okay. If you need to put that next to this, guys, again, a functional relationship is going to be one action gives us one result. Only one possible result. Okay. So they've got some examples on the screen here. They've got the example of a height of a ball. Doesn't have to be a baseball, could be a basketball, could be a football. Okay. So it's the height of a ball when it's thrown vertically up and down into the air, depends on the amount of time since the ball was thrown. Whenever we see this word depends on, guys, depends on, I'm not talking about the underwear for old people. Haha. Okay, I'm talking about a function of. Depends on in math is like the key word for saying function. Ding, ding, ding. We've been hearing a lot of depends in the past couple topics. Another situation is the number of pizzas you can order depends on the amount of money that you have available to spend. You don't got $10, you're not getting 2 pizzas from Little Caesars. Okay. And then the last example is from the past unit that we just got done with is the number of tiles around the pool depends on the length of the side of the pool. Okay. So the number of tiles is a function of the size, the length of pool. Okay. Okay, so number 4 now. I ask you guys to explain in your own words what it means for a relationship between 2 variables to be a function. So again, what does it mean in your own words for something to be a function? What does it mean in your own words for something to be a function? Okay. And what I personally said is that each element of an original set of pairs is unique element in a second set. So let's bring that down because that's teacher language, and we all know that teacher language sometimes goes above our heads. Okay, so what I just said here can be brought down into student language to say every input has exactly one output. Okay. And something that you can think of for this, guys, telephone numbers. A telephone number belongs to one person. No one else has my phone number, meaning you could punch in my phone number and you know that you're going to get me. That's assuming you put it in right. Okay. Okay. So every specific dialed phone number goes to exactly one person. Every input has exactly one output. Okay. We don't want to push the Coke button on the pop machine and get a Pepsi, guys, right? Coke, Pepsi, totally not the same. By the way, Coke is so much better. Okay. We don't want to press the Dr. Pepper button and get a Mountain Dew. Totally not the same there, guys. If you push the Dr. Pepper button, you want a Dr. Pepper. Okay. So with that, check Canvas for your next thing, please.